Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy King's Life checking in with a new video. Damn, my hat trying to fly away, guys. But yeah, it's your boy King's Life checking in with a new video, guys. Today's video, guys, is gonna be about me showing you guys how to restore your headlights, guys, because on my Chrysler Crossfire they're looking a little bit foggy. So we're gonna try to change that up right now by using this product right here, guys. Turtle Wax. I know you probably have heard of it, but we're gonna try it today, guys, and see if it's really gonna work or not. So y'all just stick around for the video, man, and watch the yeah, just watch. All right guys, so I kind of wanted to show y'all how it looks now and how it's gonna look at the end. But look, it is looking real crazy. I had black tint nightshade on here, guys. So if you don't know anything about nightshade, it is a dark paint that can go over headlights and tail lights to kind of like darken the lens out a little bit, you know. So that's what I've done here, and I just finally wanted to take it off, guys, because I just didn't want the tint on here no more. I just wanted to make it regular and clear, because I will be putting halo lights in here too as well, and LED lights for the headlights and the fog lights. So we will be installing those as well. I just wanted to make it look a little bit better than what it is, guys. So we got that product right here. We will be trying it out to see if it actually works, and yeah, just go from there. So y'all just stay tuned, man. All right guys, so today is very windy out, and so we're gonna start with this light right here, guys, and we're gonna do the before and after type deal. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and open this thing, read the directions, and see how it goes. We're gonna figure out how to apply this first, because I don't want to mess this up, guys. So y'all just bear with me. All right guys, so we're back, man. So first off, what you will need, guys, to do this application with, you will need this lens clarifying compound first. So what you're gonna do is go ahead and spray something on here, and then you're gonna get a clean towel, a clean cloth towel, guys, and then you're gonna go ahead and firmly press like your whole body, not body, but y'all get what I mean. Go ahead and put on our gloves, because they recommend it. It might burn you or something like that. So let's see, man. Okay. All right guys, so that pretty much didn't help it. That didn't get there, it didn't get clear. So now I have to use step number 2, which is spray lubricant, and then this pad here. So I'm pretty much, I guess I gotta spray it on here, and then go ahead and you know, I guess it's like a wet sand, guys. So we'll see after that how it's gonna look. All right guys, so I got it down to about this look right here by using this. Like I said, you gotta move it around. You gotta, you know, pretty much use the steps. But we're gonna get this cleared up here in a minute, so y'all just stay tuned. All right guys, so as you can see, man, it's already starting to clear up a little bit, guys. That is a good deal, man. So pretty much you gotta spray some lubricant on this pad right here, kind of like fluctuate it a little bit, flip it over, do one side for like a minute, and then flip it over and do the other side for like a minute as well, guys. That way you can be able to get all of that oxidizing off of your lens, man. All that yellow stuff, all that nasty gooey stuff, guys, that's what you're getting off from your headlights. So we pretty much gonna get this done, man. So I ain't gonna show y'all the second headlight. I'll just show y'all the end of this one, and then I'll just show y'all the after effect from both, because this is gonna take a little time, guys. So just be mindful, guys, that if you're gonna be doing this by hand, it will take a little time. Now you can get the one that has the drill bit and everything. Now that doesn't take that long. So, but get what you pay for, man. So I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, guys, so if you can tell, big difference already, guys. Now the next step we will be using, we do have to use this compound to get it cleared. So that's pretty much what we're gonna do now. We're gonna get that on there. But take a look at this side, guys, and then look at this side. Real bad, huh? Real bad. So that's the way the other side was looking, just like this. Now take a look at this side. That looks a little bit more decent than how it was, guys. So I would say, man, it actually worked for me a little bit. You know, I'm not gonna complain about it, but man, that's a big difference, man. So let's go ahead and get this one cleaned up, guys, and then we'll go ahead and move on with the process. Guys, look at that, man. That is crazy, man. Now that is what you call a clear lens right there. All right, let me finish this up, guys, so we can go ahead and do the other side before it starts raining. As you guys can see,